Sir, I think almost all the doubts are cleared, right?
Doubts?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so now I would like to move on to the process part. This is our application form,
Okay.
and you need to fill the form. And here I require your signatures. Okay, please fill the form. Along with this application form, I require your KYC documents, like your photo identity proof with proof of signature, your address proof. Right, that is the KYC part. And your income documents like your GST returns and 6 months bank statement.
Why so many documents?
Sir, to calculate the eligibility, I required this document. Even I required your last 3 months credit card statement also.
Card statement also.
Yeah.
Right.
Sir, please fill the form, sir. Okay, so, sir, can I have the documents?
Let me go through the form.
Okay, sir. Sir, sir, it's okay. I will call you later, and I will fill the balance details. Okay. So I require your documents because I have another appointment.
I don't have all the documents, but
Whatever the document you have, please give me, sir. All these are photocopy, right? Sir?
right.
Yeah, give me, sir.
It will do.
Yeah.
Address proof.
Okay.
This is
Sir, I will check that after some time. Okay. So I will call you later. If anything pending, I will come again and will collect from you, sir.
and
Okay.
when I will get my card.
Sir, I will give you the details on phone, sir.
Okay.
Right, sir?
It's okay.
Okay, sir, my pen. Okay, sir. Thank you. Okay, sir. So I think almost all the doubts are clear now.
Yes.
I would like to move on to the process part.
Process. Which process?
Yeah, here I am going to explain you the entire process, like login to issuance of the credit card.
Okay.
Okay, sir. So first of all, you need to fill this application form. This is our application form. You need to fill all the details in this order, right, sir? Fill the details in capital letters and use this black ink pen, sir.
Okay.
Also, I require your signature here, and here, sir.
Please.
Already marked.
Okay.
Right, sir? Okay, please, sir. If you require any assistance, you can ask me. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Thanks a lot. I just want to check this, sir.
Okay.
Okay. I think all the details are covered, sir. Sir, I require your documents now.
Okay.
Okay. First of all, KYC documents. In KYC documents, I required photo identity proof with signature of proof.
Okay. Then what?
Then I require your income documents.
Okay.
In income documents, we are considering GST returns and last 6 months bank statement.
Okay. Bank statement.
Sir, also I require last 3 months credit card statements of your existing credit card.
This is credit card statement, GST, and my 6 month bank statement.
Okay. 1 minute, sir. I just want to check. Please sign on this paper, sir. Self-attestation is required.
What is the photocopy?
Yeah, self-attestation is required. In all the photocopies, we require self-attestation.
Why is it so?
Sir, it is to confirm that I am collecting the document from the customers also.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's
to
okay.
prevent the fraud, sir.
Good.
Sir, I also require the original document of all these documents because I need to verify with the originals. Thank you, sir. Okay, sir. Thanks a lot. I think all the documents are completed now. Sir, thank you for this opportunity to serve you.
Welcome.
Sir, if you require any kind of banking services, you can call me during the working hours.
Okay.
My contact details are already there in my visiting card.
Okay.
Okay, sir. And sir, may I have some references from you, sir? Like people like you. I want to contact them also with your reference, sir.
Right now, I don't have any reference. Let this card come first.
Okay, sir. No problem, no problem.
Once I will experience the card, then I can give you some reference.
Okay, no problem, sir.
So I have friend circle, so I can ask
Right,
them.
right.
Tell them.
Okay, sir. Thank you for the time, sir.
Okay.
Okay. Nice to meet you, sir.
Same
Okay.
here.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.